Welcome to the BsnTech Network's website builder. In this video tutorial, it's going to quickly show you how to get started with the configuration of your website. In the confirmation email that you received, you should have received a username and a password to log into your site, along with the website link. In the confirmation message, you will simply click on the link, which should be your domain name, and then /wp-admin. You'll get a pop-up box. That pop-up box is our first level of defense to try to prevent hackers from getting into your website. Leave the username blank, and the password was emailed to you, so please insert the password into the password box, and then you'll hit the OK button on the pop-up. Once you get past the pop-up box, you should see a screen similar to what's shown on here. You'll see the BsnTech Networks logo, along with a username and a password box. In the confirmation email, you should have also received the username and password to log into the site. So go ahead and type that in, and then we'll hit the login button. Once we are logged in, this is the dashboard, or the administrative panel, for configuring and managing your website builder. In this tutorial, we're just simply going to show you how to do a couple of first items here. First off, if you want to change your password, hover over Users, and then click Your Profile. It will then provide you the information. There's the username, which cannot be changed. You'll have your first name, your last name, and then if you scroll down, you can change your email address. Scrolling down some more, and you can put in a new password and then retype the password. Once you are done with that, you are then able to update profile. That will update your password. Next, let's go into the actual settings of the website builder. Let's hover over Settings and go up here to General. On this screen, it will let you change the title of your website. By default, it is set to Website Builder. You could also put a tagline in here if you have a slogan. For the WordPress address and the site address, this should not be changed. If you change this, it could cause your WordPress or your website builder account to cease working. You will then need to contact our tech support here at BsnTech Networks in order to get that fixed. Also, there will be an email address assigned to the website. That should be the email address that is used to create your hosting account. Down here you can set a time zone. UTC-5 is for the Central Time Zone. UTC-4 would be for Eastern Time. UTC-6 would be Mountain Time. UTC-7 would be Pacific Time. You can also set a date format, a time format, when the week starts, which is typically Sunday, and then a language for the site, which is usually English or United States. Then you can also save those changes. There are several other items that you can look at on here, so you can play around with it. In the writing, there's really nothing that needs to be set in here. If you wanted to possibly try to post something remotely, that's where you could do this, but that is kind of a complicated procedure. Under the reading, this is where you will set your home page. By default, the website builder is set up with one single page, which is called Home. The pages can be found under the Pages section right here. So by default, the front page is already set to Home for you. Under Discussion, this was for blogs. If you want to allow individuals to make comments on some of your blog posts, then you would allow people to post comments on new articles. By default, this is shut off, so that way spammers and attackers do not bombard your website with spam comments. Permalinks is something that we should draw your attention to. By default, all of your pages are going to be a question mark, P equals, and a number. We highly recommend that you change this to the post name here. Then what it will be your website, / and then the actual name of the post. So it would be /home as an example. So it's just a human readable aspect, and that is great for search engine optimization. Alright, well, thank you for watching your video tutorial to get started on your website builder. If you have any questions about this, please get in touch with our tech support, and you can do so on our website. Alright, thanks for watching. This is Brian with BsnTech Networks.